Hello dear students, I hope all of you are being healthy, tackling or coping up this hard time situations around and also get focused to your incumbent current session syllabus, the course. Now in this video lecture we will share together a chapter entitled The Word in Your Room from our English literature textbook. Now come to the text. Before initiating the actual text, we have to read some introductory lines and a short note about the author, about the writer as given here. Today's modern life is surrounded by the products of latest technology. Technology has been growing rapidly and has now become an important part of our life. It has its impact on people of all fields and ages. Let us read the chapter to know about the gadgets of latest technology. So, this chapter, as the title itself suggests, it could discuss or share with us about the modern technological and the advancement in the field of gadgets, electronic equipment, devices which are now facilitating our routine life and now have day by day, moment by moment becoming a part and parcel of our life. And you know all of yourself that now the cell phone and other electronic equipments have become so important, and in fact it has become one of the compulsive things attached to our lifestyle. Now come to the a little bit introduction about the author. Here is a picture of the author. Dr. Mike Goldsmith has a PhD in astrophysics and studies the philosophy of time and space. He is the head of acoustics at the United Kingdom's National Physical Laboratory. As an author, he has written more than 20 non-fiction books for children. This excerpt is adapted from his book Fantastic Future. So, the author of this chapter is Dr. Mike Goldsmith, who is a PhD, means philosophy of doctorate degree holder, means a highly or utmost qualified person regarding the economic scenario, economic criteria, and have done his PhD in the subject astrophysics. Astrophysics deals with the scenarios, the dimensions regarding the space, cosmology, the astronomy along with the physics. Means it deals with the phenomena, with the activities of the satellites and the motion of planets, their interrelated laws to which they are bound to follow, and other cosmological phenomena occurring in the space here. Astrophysics as well as philosophy of time and space, because all these are the complementary to each other. He is at present head of acoustics at the United Kingdom's National Physical Laboratory. Acoustics deals with the science of sounds and sound waves. So At present, our author, Mr. Mike Goldschmidt, holds the head position in the National Physical Laboratory of United Kingdom, where he is head of acoustics department. As an author, he has written more than 20 non-fiction books for children. Non-fiction means the books which follows only the facts or the information which is utilized, which are provided in a surrounding developments regarding the science, technology and other criteria. So basically these books transform the factual or the realistic accuracy matter information affairs to us, and he had Mr. Goldschmidt had written all these books considering the child, the kids in his mind promptly. This excerpt is adopted from his book Fantastic Future, and this chapter which we are going to share it through us, going to the reading is an excerpt. Excerpt means an extract. Is then it is a part taken from his book Fantastic Future. Now come to the actual text, first paragraph of the story. If you are reading this in your bedroom, have a look around. If you are lucky, you will see books and magazines. However, you will definitely find a mobile, a PC with email and internet access, a TV, radio, various remote controls, maybe a few postcards and photos. In other words, your room is stocked with various kinds of communication devices. So, let us see a description of this paragraph. Here, author describes or suggests that if you are reading this in your bedroom, if you are getting these lines, going through this chapter, being seated in your bedroom, then you may, if you have a look around, you will certainly get to know that there are some things, some electronic gadgets like not you only have the books. If you are lucky, you will have the books as well as magazines, and these are the core source of transferring the knowledge and the primary for one primary access for having information, achieving the knowledge and concepts. But along with these ones, books and magazines, one may definitely would find in the books that here are the electronic devices, electronic modern technological gadgets like mobile, a PC means personal computer, with having the facilities like the PC and the mobile have the compatibility of email and internet access. These are the technological advancement which facilitate us regarding the transfer or sharing of videos, audios and documents and other type of data files, as we know. A TV, radio, various remote controls, as well as along with mobile, PC, one may find certainly that there are television, radio and various remote control devices here, like you may say the air conditioner, AC, fan, the LEDs and other devices there. Maybe a few postcards and photos too. Maybe one would find some postcards and photos. You know, postcard were the uh, what in a special type formatted bit of paper which have been used for transferring the message, writing notes over it, and photos. You all know that these are the images of a particular scene or a particular person, particular object or being which one makes impression in the photos with the help of camera. This one is also the wonderful advancement of the technology itself. In other words, your room is stocked with various kinds of communication devices. Now, one thing, if you want to summarize, conclude all the things hereby present in the room, to what motto up to they transform us, they are means to be used. That motto is the communication, the advanced and refined communication with all these sources. And such type of advanced communication makes our life more friendly, more equitable and more easy. Now come to the next paragraph, second one. Over the last few centuries, a big chunk of the inventions that people have come up with are related in some way to communication, from posting letters to sending text. Communication is something that people always wanted to do. You were trying to do it as soon as you were born. You will probably spend the rest of your life talking, telephoning, writing, emailing, and texting thousands of people. Here, let us describe this one. And second paragraph, here author shares with us that over the last few centuries, by the last few centuries means a couple of centuries, the recent which have been passed through recent time, they have made us more advanced. They regarding the inventions that have certainly gifted people with the advanced gadgets of communications, communicable objects, from posting letters to sending text, which are now being used for posting letters to sending text. Means once we are bound to post letters, we were using the letters and the postcards and have to depend on the postal department, the mail facilities. Even when it was the final, the most refined, most advanced express mails, even that takes to transfer the message couple of hours or couple of days, while the recent electronic advancement in the field of communication, the modern technology has made us able to transfer our messages or information within the fraction of seconds with the help of modern communicable facilities or the advanced features. Communication is something that people always wanted to do. Communication means sharing the thoughts, feelings, ideas with each other. Is something is such a dimension, such a uh, expression which everyone want to share with everyone wanted to do, means got engaged with, because from the time immemorial when in the ancient phases when we are natives, the primitive human, all the developments, all the advancement, evolution actually resides in the development of the communicable, advancement of communication, the refinement and the crystallization of verbal and other form of communication activities. So from one when it takes birth, from the beginning of life, have an earning, have a strong desire to get engaged in the communication and to share his or her thoughts or feeling with others. You will probably spend the rest of your life talking, telephoning, writing, emailing and sending texting thousands of people. So it's probable or it's more obvious that throughout your life you would only get involved in such activities of communication like talking and telephoning and sharing your information, sharing your thoughts with the help of telephone, or writing through writing, emailing and texting thousands of people. With thousands of people, even it may be the texting mode, while writing too. Our keenness to communicate means that in a few years your boredom might look something like this. Our strong zeal or earnest desire that is bound to communicate, that is obligated for oneself to share his or her feelings, will naturally, obviously, in coming few years, will make us our bedroom in an advanced designed format. It will transform even our bedroom too. Now come to the some special headings, some special gadgets about which we are going to discuss here. Super mobile phones. First one title is super mobile phones. In your future bedroom, your mobile will beep for attention and then tell you that your favorite band is about to start their gig. You will send a quick text to your friends who like that band, and you will be able to watch and hear its performance also on your mobile, which will record the best bits for later too. Today almost everyone who can afford a mobile has got one. So in order to continue selling them, the manufacturers have to keep coming up with innovations. So now share the sense which is imbibed in these lines together. Here the author wants to express that in the coming future, which is bound to occur in the coming few decades, our future bedroom would transform, would innovated in a holistic way, and our mobile, which we up to now use for variety of communicable and entertainment activities would also get transformed when we have a mobile we would have in the coming future. It would not be only for our attention or alarm regarding a call or a type of particular message. It will also enable us to get enjoy our favorite band or favorite track, or it will correlate, link us with the our own similar desiring, or about which we have a fonding, a liking type of bands, type of tracks, and it is about to start their game. It is about to start or play the tunes of the that particular one jazz, that particular rhythms or the symphony. You will send a quick text to your friend. Just by sending a quick text, that may be of the voice to a medium or by the texting work, that all our friends would be able to just relate with that band nearby and will be able to watch and hear its performance, or their performance of a particular band that's happening on a remote location, and would from our own bedroom would able to be the spectator, be the witness of it, that fantastic performance, and enjoy it over our mobile phones or cell phones, which will record the best wish for later too. It would not only make us enable to realize, make us acknowledge its live performance, it would also be able to record for the future entertainment, for the future memory too. By the time almost everyone who can afford, now as we all know that as the mobile phones, cell phone companies are going through an advanced competitive market, they are enabling the devices, they are with advanced features, with advanced, they are making their gadgets more handy, more friendly, and looking according to appearance, they seem more smarter. Even after that, they are having also considering the cost effective affordability of the consumers as well. So almost everybody, not almost, even you all may yourself can see around and have a look at. Now everybody have a advanced or the smart mobile cell phones, as they can afford it easily. So in order to continue selling them, the manufacturers have to keep coming with some different innovation. So as the companies are always get attached, get focused to the development, innovating features, because they have to go through, always have to go through the their particular section of smart communication and competitive aspects. Because of that, if the mobile companies want to make their sale, make their market having a good hold, they would certainly install their coming mobile sets with some innovative, some new and different features, some new technologies, so that that particular company or that particular mobile smartphone handset can cover a bigger market, bigger consumers ground. That's in this paragraph, students, and that's till now till here. I will rest this part too. Rest of the section of this chapter we will do in the next part. Thank you, students.